Oh, it's me.
Oh,
Okay.
It's coming back. Oh, I thought you were on the outside. I was going to come on the inside then. Yoss is coming on.
shit. Fuck. Ouch. Can't believe I managed to survive that. Fuck. Oh, God. Damn
Bosh.
it.
Okay, I've got Somebody chasing me now.
Ah, damn it.
Oh, you're over there. Okay.
Why not?
Hello.
Hello?
Oh, whoops. We both hit each other.
That was only a slight touch.
Yeah, but it still send you to the ground. Looks like there's one on the oval.
Yeah.
That's me.
Is it? Ow.
Hello.
Oh,
Do.
I
Well, you're on
can't.
4 or 3.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh,
So,
what? Ah, drift.
oh yeah.
Hello.
oh.
Mm. You really are. I can hear it. Blah, 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 blah.
And
That headset of yours definitely does have noise cancellation, does it?
Well, mine,
Yeah.
no, because I
Actually, it
can't have
doesn't work. It doesn't work like that, does it? Noise cancellation means you can't hear people outside your headphones, doesn't it? Other way
Yeah.
around, isn't it? You could adjust it crazy in the Discord settings.
It's
What
not
it pick,
that, mate. I have to have my TV on because I don't have any volume from the game in my
Yeah, I'm
headset.
just talking about what your mic picks up on your headset. You can adjust how sensitive it is in the Discord settings.
I didn't realise you could do that.
So yeah, it's you just swipe up at the bottom in the where all the chat wherever all the faces are. Oh, it's somewhere in there. He says when he can't find it. Oh yeah, voice sensitivity at the right at the bottom.
Or is it too loud? Or
No. You're all right, but it just picks up what's
why
around, doesn't it? You could adjust the sensitivity. Right, it's quite good. Quite good. I'm still messing about with mine. I think mine might be a bit too sensitive. Yeah, that's it. Noise suppression. It's at the bottom. Noise suppression suppresses background noise from your mic.
I'll have a look in a minute. Because if I stop, I'm
Mm.
gonna get caught.
Oh yeah, no. It's fine, mate. You can only hear it when you rip it on strong in that bike. You can't really hear it any other time when you get the power down. But it sounds quite good though, to be fair. At least I know what you're driving. It's very quiet in here.
Let me just turn my volume down a little bit on my TV.
No, you're right, mate. It's fun.
That should be a bit better now. As long as I can hear my bike, that's all I'm bothered about. I need to hear
You
the
need to
car.
hear it. You need to hear it, mate. Don't worry about me. You need to hear it. You're getting on a bit anyway, aren't you, with your old ears?
Shut the fuck up, cunt.
I had to fix my headset the other night. It fucking snapped on the left cup.
Oh, I don't know what
It
it
was
is. I don't seem to break.
hanging off.
I don't seem to break things. Come on.
The Turtle Beaches, mate. The good headphones, but they just snap as soon as you look at them.
I got rake on. Who's left? Oh, why'd you go get crushed like that? Oh. That's just out of order, mate. You headed directly for me to crush me just so I get caught. That's what you call being a cunt. Whoever did that.
Right.
Hold on. I got him.
Nearly had him.
Hello.
Yeah, mate, we got a bunch of people that. Ooh! We're playing Bulldog.
I got him.
We're playing Bulldog. And people that are not on are making the people that are not on crash, so the people that are on can catch them. That is
What are you
not.
talking about?
Well, you know, somebody hit me, directly aimed for me, hit me head on, and then I got fucking caught straight afterwards.
Well, it's
Dirt.
Bulldog, isn't it? That's the name of the game, isn't it?
No. It's for the
Three questions
foxy.
off.
It's for.
I'll be joining in 2 seconds.
Don't
Just letting
get
you know.
stressed. Don't get stressed.
No, but I was having fun until somebody
We
that was
gone.
supposed to be on my side destroyed me. You know what I mean?
No. Well,
Yeah. What the fuck? Fire alarm was going off. I'll be back. I just gotta go and check it out.
it's the ambulance for whoever took him out before. Broke his leg. I hope the house isn't burning down. Well, who's in here? Anybody?
Yeah, I'm here.
Good. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I can hear your voice coming through.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay. You concentrating.
You send us an invite, Drift, or anyone.
No.
Just so I can get in.
Why can't you just join or what?
It doesn't let me. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't let me.
No. There you go. Gabby's on. Eliminator. Fucking hell, straight into it. Jesus Christ. On the Grand Alley as well. Fuck me. Okay.
I'm not sure what colours
Oh,
to use here.
fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
This one.
Oh, it's locked in it, bastard. What do you reckon? I mean, the arcade coupe could be good around here.
That's what I'm using.
Oh, fucking great minds. Then
I
again,
would go with the
yeah,
Merc because the Merc is really quick, but
it's not going to be very
This-
good on them coming out them corners, is it? It's just going to
Track,
light the
yeah.
tyres up, isn't it?
Is it in
Oh,
reverse or?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry. You know what? I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna go in it.
You're just going to be spinning up on them corners. You know what? I'm going to try something different.
Hate that car.
Ah, he's done it as well. Look at Ladies Chris.
It was. I wasn't even expecting you to shoot it. I was just.
No, I just thought it'd be all right on this track, you know.
Gabby Game has just come online. Want to send him an invite to him?
I've just sent him one, mate.
Oh, have you? Ah, cool.
Yeah. Chief admin.
Kingy said he might come back on later on. I think he's gone for some food or something.
Hey. Well, Ludicrous, we'll both go the NSX, mate. Be good.
Or, you know what? Sure. Ready?
We don't usually race this, do we?
All right.
Yep. Good race, everybody. Not confusion. He doesn't even answer me back anymore. Yeah. Right. But always chatting. Oh. Oh. What's going on?
Hello. How you doing?
Bonjour.
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, he's quitting out, isn't it? Yeah, he hasn't got it, has he?
Oh.
He's teeing off his fire alarm, isn't he, though?
To his, Bernard.
No, it's his what's it? It's his
Disc, yeah.
it's this track.
Oh,
Sorry, dude.
oh,
He's sorted his
hold on.
he's sorted his thingy out, and oh no, he sorted his fire alarm out, and he's not here.
Totally forgot. Sorry.
He's sorted his fire alarm out, mate.
Oh, well, let Thingy get in. Is he on his way or?
Oh, Gabby,
Yeah, I'm getting on.
come on then, hurry up.
Yeah. Sorry. Totally forgot that. His
It'll be
game
fine.
just crashes if he is on Quebec.
Yeah.
It's a good track that as well.
Yeah, I love it.
Diesel.
Well, we should be able to do it anyway. Bud's not
Yeah.
here anyway for the moment.
Yeah,
You still want to
just-
do it?
let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it. We can because when he comes back, we won't be playing any more Quebec, will we? So
Yeah. Sorry about that, Stacy. Well, once this is over, I'll let you know when. Totally forgot. Don't select Quebec or the game crashes for you.
Yeah, it's easy to do.
it used to be me as well, didn't it?
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah.
So
Is it what did Bud say he was doing? Sorting his file on or something like that? Did you
yeah,
say?
the fire alarm was going off, wasn't it?
Oh,
You not hear it?
I didn't know, mate.
Mm.
I'm in my own world on my phone.
Ludicrous on your left.
I see you.
Oh, you got a boost. Not anymore.
Oh,
Hey, that was fine.
yeah.
It was just trading paint. Oh, yeah, there's the speed on that, isn't it? Get it come.
It's
Look at
it's
it go.
quick.
Yeah.
Whoop.
This NSX is nice. Oh, whoa.
Ow.
That bike, mate. Sorry,
Sorry.
The bike just stopped. Try to avoid it. Where are you? Behind me?
This can really was so you lot went to play game.
Oh, fuck.
Nice.
My bad.
This sound. Oh God.
Okay.
I think it was worth the risk.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa.
Hello, hello, hello. Well,
Howdy.
that was fun. I had to go and reset all the alarms and everything. The thing is, it was the lady above me. She was cooking toast and set the fire alarm off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Of course, there's only two of us that know how to reset the alarm box downstairs. Turning it off, resetting it, kept going off, and resetting it, kept going off, resetting it. Got the key to actually change it, so